How to create an avatar for your Facebook profile picture and Facebook cover photo. Hi guys, today I will teach and guide you how to create an avatar or a cartoon version of yourself for your Facebook profile picture and Facebook cover photo. As you can see, in my Facebook profile picture and my Facebook cover photo, I created an avatar or a cartoon version of myself. To start, all you have to do is to tap your Facebook profile picture. You will given an options here and tap create avatar profile picture. You will be direct in this section. In this section, you will have an options to choose your skin tone for your avatar according to your likeness or preference. For me, I will choose the skin tone for my avatar and tap next. You will be directed here. So in this section, the great thing is you can customize your avatar according to your likeness or according to your preference. You can customize the hairstyle, you can customize the face shape, you can customize the eye shape, the eyebrows. Um, Also, you can add bindi. Also, you can add some eyewear. You can edit the nose, the lips. You can add also facial hair. You can edit the body build. You can edit the outfit, add some hats or piercing, and also you can add some hearing devices. So for me, I will try to customize my avatar according to what I like. So for the hair, I will choose this one. The face shape is good to me, and the eye shape is good to me. The eyebrows, I will try to add some eyewear. So this one. I will try to add some facial hair. This one. The body build. Um, the body build is. I will try to this one. I will try to change the outfit. Um, I like this one. So everything is set now. If you're already decided or you're already good on your avatar or you're good in your customization of your avatar, you can tap the done button. So tap also the save changes. And your avatar is being updated. Show off your avatar's new look with profile updates and personal sticker across Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. The great thing is that you can also use your avatar in I think in comments. Yeah, I see. You can use your avatar in comments as a sticker. So tap done. And also you can customize your avatar, what will it look like in your profile picture. So for me, this one is good for me. And I will try to add some background. Save. So I will try to refresh my, and that's it. So to change, if you want to change your cover photo and to add your avatar, just tap this section, this icon, tap this icon, and after you tap this icon, this section will be appear. So you can choose what pose do you like for your avatar for your Facebook cover photo. So I will try to this one, and I will try to change the background. Since the Halloween is coming, I will try to choose this one and continue. So as you can see, your avatar for your Facebook profile picture and your Facebook cover photo is already made. So you can share your avatar to your feed, and that's it. You have now an avatar for your Facebook profile and Facebook cover photo. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and tips and tricks. See ya!